Let's walk through the modern buyer journey because this is critical. It's not linear in the way we used to think about it. It's not just awareness to consideration to decision. Today, it looks more like this: exposure, skepticism, validation, decision. Let that sink in. And that skepticism stage, that's where everything happens, right? That's where deals are won or lost because buyers are actively looking for reasons not to believe you. They're asking, will this perform under stress? Can they deliver consistently? What is the failure rate? Who else relies on this? And here's the key insight. No one is buying based on a tagline. They're buying based on confidence. Confidence that this will work, confidence that this will hold up, confidence that they won't regret the decision. And confidence doesn't come from positioning. It comes from proof. Let me make this real with an example because I think it's where this really clicks in. Let's talk about charter casting. Now, what's fascinating about charter is their advantage was never marketing. It wasn't branding. It wasn't storytelling. It wasn't campaign thinking. Their advantage has always been what happens inside of the operation. The manufacturing precision, the material quality, the consistency at scale, the reliability in demanding environments, the long-standing customer relationships. I mean, this is a business built on doing hard things the right way, over and over and over again. But here was the gap. Those strengths were not being clearly translated into market credibility. They existed, they just weren't visible. And I love this because it's such a common situation out there. The problem wasn't capability, it was communication. So instead of asking, how do we make charter casting more interesting, we asked a very different question. How do we make charter casting more believable? And the shift changed everything because now, instead of creating new narratives with uncovering the truth, we moved from general statements like high-quality solutions to specific proof, materials, tolerances, performance, and process.